Welcome everyone. Today we're diving deep into the world of air purification. From clearing allergens to creating a cleaner, healthier environment, our latest video is your ultimate guide to the best air purifiers of 2024. Join us as we explore the top picks. Levoit. The first is the Levoit 400S. In our at-home tests, this one removed the most airborne particles, catching at least 99.5% and up to 99.9% of particles as small as 0.3 mm. Its sleek and fashionable cylinder design in a neutral hue makes it a simple addition to any area, regardless of decor, and a color-coded display provides users with a fantastic visual on-air quality at any given time. The air purifier is lightweight and has indentation handles on either side, making it easy to move from room to room. Users can download a companion app that provides important data on air quality and allows them to schedule and time the air purifier to suit around a hectic schedule. Overall, this Levoit 400S is our top selection for air purifiers because it is stylish, quietly powerful, and has an intuitive, easy-to-use, smart interface. BLUEAIR. The BLUEAIR Air Purifier follows next. This model includes the unique HEPASilent performance, which is now up to 83% faster and 50% quieter. Its HEPASilent dual filtration technology provides cleaner air faster while using less noise and energy than HEPA filtration alone. Even better, it can clean up to 526 square feet in 30 minutes or 219 square feet in around 12.5 minutes on high. In addition to removing 99.97% of microscopic airborne particles like viruses and smoke down to 0.1 microns and capturing pet hair, pollen, mold allergens, and dust, the carbon filter collects light home aromas from smoking, pets, and cooking. When it comes to its app, BLUEAIR Smart Air Purifier app scheduling, air quality monitoring, clean air ETA, welcome home geofencing, and RealTrack accurate 6-9-month filter tracking technology are all adjustable options. Alexa voice control is also accessible. The simple 2-button design and intuitive display make it simple to operate fan speeds 1, 3, as well as night mode, auto brightness, and kid lock. FULMINARE. Next, we have the FULMINARE H13. This air purifier for home uses dual-channel technology and a 360-degree air outlet to refresh the air 5 times each hour in rooms up to 215 ft2, just 20 ml. This little portable air purifier can be placed in almost any place. One is sufficient to significantly improve your indoor air quality. To get the best experience, please use this product in a space measuring 215 square feet, 20 square meters. It is extremely beneficial to light sleepers, allowing investors to sleep well every night. You can also put your air purifiers to sleep mode, which will result in a near-silent noise level of roughly 24 dB at low fan speed, while the ultra-quiet but sufficient to clean the air in your room at night, providing you a smooth and pleasant sleep. It is also intended to function as both an air purifier and a night light. Its dual-purpose design makes it an excellent choice for babies and young children who can benefit from the softly shining light or a peaceful nighttime companion. Plus, the air purifiers include 2, 4, 8, 10, 12, 5 timers to meet your needs when you're away from home. MORENTO. The next product to review is the MORENTO Air Purifier. There are 2 air intakes on this huge room air purifier for your home. In comparison to the single air inlet design, it does purification work on both sides at the same time, significantly enhancing purification speed. It is used to treat allergies. CADR can reach 300, and it can refresh the air every hour in a 1076 square foot 100 square meter room, providing a healthy and fresh breathing atmosphere in smoke. It also includes an upgraded purification system and a dual-side air intake purification system. Using multi-layer filtration technology, the HEPA air purifier can effectively remove 99.97% of air particles ranging from small to 0.3 microns, such as dust, smoke, pollen, hair, and odor. Turn on the high-efficiency air purifier to always have a fresh and comfortable air environment. It will monitor the air quality in real time using an infrared PM2.5 sensor and relay it back to the display screen. And if the surrounding air becomes foggy while the air purifier is in automated mode, the display panel will turn yellow or red, and the fan will speed up to clean the air faster, making it the finest air purifier for wildfire smoke. CHIVALZ. The CHIVALZ are up next. This tiny air purifier has a 360-degree air intake mechanism that effectively purifies every corner of the room from all angles. Because of its portable design, you can deploy a single purifier in the bedroom or two at the same time in the living room, bringing fresh and clean air closer to you. The H13 True HEPA filter and high-efficiency activated carbon filter work together to effectively filter dust, smoke, pollen, pet dander, and undesirable odors. This portable air purifier for the bedroom also has a user-friendly design and a simple one-button operation. By long pressing the button for 3 seconds, you can simply switch between 3 different speeds and activate to the 4-hour timer mode. And in sleep mode, air purifiers for bedroom runs at 24 dB provide you with a quiet and comfortable sleeping working environment. You can also enhance the environment in your bedroom by adding 2 to 3 drops of your favorite essential oil to the fragrance pad. PuroAir HEPA. Finally, there is the PuroAir. This PuroAir filter collects 99.99% of fine particulate matter as little as 0.1 microns. This includes dust, pet dander, odors, and smoke. It is actually up to 10x more powerful than a HEPA H13 grade filter. It has been shown to catch up to 99.99% of fine particulate matter as small as 0.1 microns. And among the fine particles you don't want to breathe in are allergies, smoke, mold, pollen, dust, and smells. A sophisticated particle sensor monitors air quality for you and adjusts power to increase if filthy air is detected, making it ideal for any environment. And along with this, it has a timer, fan speed, sleep mode, filter replacement indicator, and child lock, making it ideal for children. That's all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed our video. Hey, subscribing is fun, so to receive updates on our most recent videos, please subscribe, like, and click the bell icon. Thank you for watching.